Hi, I'm Alessandro from the Quantum Biology Institute and Quantum Biology DAO. So we're building a one-of-a-kind microscope that is going to be able to detect quantum signatures of spin superpositions living inside of cells. In the last video, we talked about what it is and why it matters. So today I'm going to tell you about who's involved and how we're going to do this. First, there's Clarice, and she's going to be in charge of developing the software that is going to control the microscope. So she's going to develop the brain of the microscope. And then we have Lőrinc, who is going to be in charge of designing and building the optical setup. Then there's going to be me, and I'm going to help out with the engineering involved in the microscope build, especially with the sample stage and the magnetic field control. Then there's the biology side. So on one side, we have the head of biology in LA, which is going to develop the perfect target for the microscope. So he's going to develop the proteins that we're going to look at with the microscope. And on the other side, we have Mike in Maryland doing studies on how tiny magnetic fields affect cells and small organisms in terms of function and pathways. Building the microscope is gonna take quite some time. We are estimating somewhere between 1 and 2 years after we have a setup that is calibrated and tested. The building itself is not gonna take that long, but debugging, calibrating, optimizing is gonna probably take quite some time. In the meantime, we still have the biology operation, which is gonna try to develop the perfect target to look at with the microscope. Next, we're going to break down the parts needed for the quantum microscope.